Okay, right. Today we are discussing about second year chemistry topic. That is very important topic in this second year. The first very important long question is, how is the preparation of ozone and what are the chemical properties? The question is, how is the preparation of ozone from oxygen and explain the reaction with ethylene, potassium hydride and mercury and lead sulfide. First one, the answer is preparation of ozone. When ozone is prepared, when pure and dry oxygen gas is subjected to the silent electric discharge, when oxygen is converted to ozone up to 10% only, the product is known as ozonized oxygen. Ozonized oxygen means it is a mixture of oxygen and ozone is called ozonized oxygen. Now in this preparation we can only prepare the 10% of ozone only. The reaction when oxygen is converted into ozone. Now the reaction is endothermic reaction because of the delta H is equal to positive. The required amount of energy is 142 kilojoules per moles. Okay, right. Now we are discussing about the chemical properties. The first property is reaction with ethylene. What is the formula of ethylene? C2H4. It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Right. Ozone reacts with unsaturated hydrocarbon like ethylene to form ethylene ozonide, which on hydrolysis in the presence of zinc dust to form formaldehyde. In the reaction, ethylene reacts with ozone to form ethylene ozonide. It is a cyclic compound which on hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust to form formaldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. Whole of this reaction is called as ozonolysis. And the second very important chemical property is reaction with potassium iodide. When ozone liberates iodine from the solution of moist potassium iodide. When moist potassium iodide salt reacts with ozone gas to form potassium hydroxide and liberated iodine gas. And the third reaction with mercury, means reaction with mercury. Ozone oxidizes mercury to mercurous oxide. The reaction is ozone reaction with mercury to form mercurous oxide and oxygen gas. What is the formula of mercurous oxide? Hg2O. This reaction is also called tailing of mercury. And the last one is reaction with lead sulfide. When ozone oxidizes black lead sulfide to white lead sulfate. When black lead sulfide reacts with ozone to form white lead sulfate. Now this reaction is called reaction with lead sulfide. These are the very important chemical properties of ozone and preparation. This is very important. Okay, once again we will discussing about the preparation of ozone and chemical properties. First, how is the preparation of ozone? The ozone is prepared from pure and dry oxygen gas is subjected to silent electric discharge. When oxygen is converted into ozone up to only 10%, the product is known as ozonized oxygen. It is a mixture of O2 and O3. Now the reaction, when O2 is converted into O3, the observed the amount of energy is 142 kilojoules per moles of energy. So this reaction is an endothermic reaction. Now the chemical properties. In this chemical properties, the first one is reaction with ethylene. Ethylene is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. When ozone reacts with unsaturated hydrocarbon like ethylene to form ethylene ozonide. Ethylene ozonide is a cyclic compound which on hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust to form formaldehyde. So the reaction is ethylene. What is the formula? CH2 double bond CH2. When reacts with ozone to form ethylene ozonide. It is a cyclic compound which on hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust to form formaldehyde and hydrogen peroxide. What is the formula of formaldehyde? HCHO is called formaldehyde. The intermediate substance is called ethylene ozonide in this reaction. The second reaction is reaction with moist potassium iodide salt. When ozone liberates iodine from the solution of potassium iodide. When potassium iodide with water, reaction with ozone to form potassium hydroxide and liberated the iodine gas. And C, the third reaction, reaction with mercury. This reaction is also called tailing of mercury. Ozone oxidizes mercury to mercurous oxide. The reaction is ozone reacts with mercury to form mercurous oxide and oxygen. What is the formula of mercurous oxide? Hg2O is called mercurous oxide. Now this whole reaction is known as tailing of mercury. And the last reaction is reaction with black lead sulfide. When ozone reacts with black lead sulfide to white lead sulfate. Now this reaction is called as oxidation. When ozone oxidizes black lead sulfide to black lead sulfate, white lead sulfate. White lead sulfate. Black lead sulfide reacts with ozone to form white lead sulfate. This is the reaction.